Communication in ants is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that plays a crucial role in the organization and functioning of ant colonies. Ants primarily communicate through a combination of chemical signals, tactile cues, and, to a lesser extent, visual and auditory signals. The communication systems in ants are highly sophisticated and are essential for tasks such as foraging, defending the colony, and coordinating activities. Chemical communication. Pheromones. Trail. Pheromones. Ants release chemical substances called pheromones to communicate with each other. Trail pheromones are commonly used to mark paths between the nest and food sources. When an ant finds a food source, it deposits a trail pheromone on its way back to the nest. Other ants can then follow this trail to locate the food source. The intensity of the pheromone trail is often correlated with the quality and quantity of the food. Alarm pheromones. Ants release alarm pheromones when they are threatened or injured. This signals other ants to be on high alert and can trigger defensive responses. Alarm pheromones can also be used to recruit nestmates to help in case of an attack. Nestmate recognition pheromones. These pheromones help ants recognize members of their colony. Ants from the same colony will share a similar chemical profile, while ants from different colonies may have distinct odors. This recognition is crucial for maintaining colony cohesion. Tactile communication. Ants use physical contact to convey information. They engage in antennation, where they touch each other with their antennae. This behavior helps in recognizing nestmates, exchanging information about the environment, and coordinating tasks. Trophallaxis is another form of tactile communication where ants exchange food or liquids mouth to mouth. This behavior helps distribute resources among colony members and fosters cooperation. Visual communication. While not as dominant as chemical and tactile communication, ants also use visual cues. Ants have simple eyes called ocelli, which can detect light and darkness. They can use visual information to navigate and orient themselves. Some ant species use visual signals during aggressive encounters or mating rituals. Visual cues, such as body postures and movements, can convey information about the ant's status or intent. Auditory communication. Ants are not known for having highly developed auditory communication. However, some species are capable of producing sounds using stridulation, rubbing body parts together, or drumming on surfaces. These sounds may have a role in certain behaviors or interactions. In summary, communication in ants is a multimodal system involving chemical signals, tactile interactions, and to a lesser extent, visual and auditory cues. This sophisticated communication network is crucial for the coordination and organization of ant colonies, allowing them to efficiently respond to environmental changes and threats. The ability to communicate effectively contributes to the resilience and success of ant